Oh hey, now that you're here, let's play a game. Raise your hand if getting dinners on the table is easy. Yeah, me either. Raise your hand if getting breakfast on the table is easy. Yeah, us either. How about lunches for you? School lunches or lunches for your homeschool kids? Lunches for your spouse? Snack time after school? Is it all sometimes kind of hard? I get it, Mama. I'm Chris Domniak. I am a trained chef, but I'm also a busy mama of two. I am a working mom, a homeschool mom, and oftentimes a solo mom because my husband travels a lot for work. So whatever situation you are in, whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a working mom, a single mom, a homeschool mom, a work-at-home mom, or some combination of all of those, I understand that getting meals on the table can be one of the hardest parts of being a mom. And if you're here, you probably care about what you put in yours and your kids' bodies as well. I care about health and wellness, but I also need ease when it comes to our meals. And that is where the Healthy Mama Cooking Club comes in. I have created the Healthy Mama Cooking Club to help you to simplify getting meals on the table. They might not always be easy, but they can certainly be simpler. The Healthy Mama Cooking Club brings you weekly meal inspiration emails with recipes, and you will also get a meal prep list if you want to do some prep ahead of time, grocery shopping lists, and within the community, you will get a ton of tips, tools, and hacks from me as a personal chef. I've worked in everything from high-end kitchens to working as a personal chef to here in my very own home kitchen. And like I said, I get what it's like to live a busy life and to want to get those healthy meals on the table and to kind of feel stuck not knowing what to cook. You will get member-exclusive recipes only available here. You will also get bonus podcast episodes. If you listen to the Healthy Mama Kitchen podcast, you'll know a little bit about what our style is, but it's all about taking the stress away from getting meals on the table, especially healthy meals, bringing more ease into your cooking life as a mom. And I also want to empower you with the confidence to get in the kitchen more, to have fun, to experiment, even if you're short on time. If all of that sounds awesome for you, then come on in. Join us in the Healthy Mama Cooking Club. There are memberships starting at just $3 a month. I wanted to make this super affordable because I know food is expensive, and I want to give you the resources to not only eat on a budget, but eat deliciously, eat healthfully, and come on in and get the support doing it.